Steps in again. King warns Nigeria over Igbo oppression. In a world where African leaders often stay silent about injustice, one voice, unexpected and royal, has broken the silence. Reports are spreading fast that the King of Morocco has taken interest in the plight of the Igbo people, demanding that Nnamdi Kanu be treated with dignity and that Nigeria must, quote, learn to deserve the Igbo citizens. Whether official or not, that statement has shaken conversations across Africa, because for the first time in years, a foreign monarch is being linked to one of the most sensitive issues in Nigeria, the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu and the deep wounds of Igbo marginalization. This afternoon, we unpack what Morocco's name in this story really means, and why this could mark a turning point in how Africa views Nigeria's internal politics. It began with whispers, a claim that loyal advisors close to King Mohammed VI had expressed concern about human rights violations in parts of Africa, particularly Nigeria. Soon, bloggers and international observers began linking that to Nnamdi Kanu's case. They pointed out that the Moroccan government has been quietly building strong diplomatic and economic ties with West Africa, and that it could use those channels to call for peace and inclusion. Whether officially said or not, the message struck a chord. If Morocco can recognize the Igbo struggle, why can't Nigeria recognize Igbo's value? Morocco's influence